Digital marketing trends in 2021 that you need to be aware of. Hi everyone, my name is Itamar Blauer. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest video content. In this video, we're going to look at 5 digital marketing trends that you need to be aware of to succeed in 2021 and beyond. Before we get started, leave a comment down below of what your most important digital marketing tactic will be in 2021. So the first digital marketing trend that you need to be aware of in 2021 is e-commerce. And we've seen that in this year with the coronavirus pandemic, how important it is for businesses to be online and have e-commerce websites whereby their customers can purchase from them. We've also seen a lot of businesses that have completely shut down because they weren't able to transition into e-commerce effectively. And it means that if you're a business and you don't have e-commerce capabilities in 2021, that's going to be a massive problem because of the way that customers are shifting more and purchasing more online. The second digital marketing trend for 2021 you need to be aware of is social media marketing and how paramount social media is for businesses to establish trust with their customers. Because social media is all about trust now and there are so many new businesses out there, there's just a saturation of any kind of industry. There's so many brands, so many businesses. You need to find a way to target your customers effectively on social media and also identify what types of content they're actually engaging with. It's not just about going on every single social media platform. You need to do your due diligence, do your research, and figure out where your customers are and how to target them effectively. And if you click at the top right corner of your screen, there's a video that I show you how exactly you can do that. The third digital marketing trend in 2021 is going to be content marketing, but more specifically, it's going to be all about voice and video. We've seen platforms like Twitter that have introduced voice tweets, so this is something that you can also try and implement within your content strategy. Also with content marketing and voice, things such as voice search, which is becoming more popular because more people have home assistant devices such as Alexa, and it's important that your content is comprehensive and targets the long tail keywords in order to be able to show up for voice search queries. But it's not just about that, it's also about video content, and video is still massively important. It's going to be dominating pretty much everything that we see, but it's not just videos, it's also things such as podcasts that are super vital as part of your digital marketing strategies. So get the experts in your business to go on podcasts that are relevant for your industry to help build more trust, more brand awareness, but also it's more personable because people buy into people, not brands. So getting the right people to appear on things like podcasts will help your business massively increase its audience base, but also getting more people to trust you and purchase from you. The other thing with content marketing is live streaming, and live streaming is favored by a lot of platforms such as YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and if you do live streams, they will show up at the top of the feeds most of the time. They'll be highly prominent and your engagements may actually increase a lot by doing live streaming. So definitely go ahead and test out live streaming in 2021. Get the equipment now to do that. And the final thing with content marketing as well is that you can recycle the content that you do have and put it on different platforms. So if you've got a video on YouTube, you can embed that video on your website on a related page. And also you can render snippets of that video and upload them natively on different social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. The fourth digital marketing trend that you need to be aware of is within SEO, and SEO, search engine optimization, is massively important for websites to be found organically when people are searching for them using search engines like Google, but there are more important things that you need to be aware of, such as page experience, which includes things such as the loading speed of your website, the user experience people have on your website. Can they navigate through your website without any problems or issues? And that's something that's massively important, because if there are problems with your website's user experience or your page speed is way too slow, people will just leave, they'll bounce, and you will be losing out on many potential customers. The other thing with SEO to note about as well is the search intent and user intent. So within 2021, search engines like Google are getting a lot smarter about identifying what the intent of a particular search is. So you need to make sure that your content is related to that specific intent in mind. Whether it's an informational, navigational, or transactional query, you need to keep that in mind in any piece of content that you write on your website. Make sure that you are matching that user intent so people will actually achieve the right purpose when they land on your web pages. The fifth and final digital marketing trend for 2021 is about viral marketing. And we've seen just how effective viral marketing is with platforms such as TikTok, which have allowed many content creators, digital marketers, and businesses alike to get massive amounts of exposure and reach on the platform. Now, obviously, 60% of the audience of TikTok is Gen Z, so that can provide opportunities for your business if you are targeting them. But also, I feel like these platforms, you just need to experiment with yourself and see what works, because viral marketing is very, very potent nowadays, especially because there's just so much out there, as we've said before. Then the saturation of content, and if you manage to get something that goes viral, you're going to massively increase your reach amongst all of your competitors. And also with viral marketing, it's not just platforms like TikTok. You've also got Facebook and LinkedIn, who have lots of ways to be able to sort of manipulate the algorithms in showing your posts as trending or showing your posts more frequently. So making sure you're using the right hashtags, that you're connected with the right people, that you're getting the engagement, and engagement is obviously what gets content to go viral. So viral marketing is definitely viable and something that you need to try and look into as part of your digital marketing strategy in 2021. So those have been 5 digital marketing trends for 2021 and beyond. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like rating below. Thank you for watching. I've been Itamar Blauer, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey, you've reached the end of this video, but don't worry, there's plenty more great content that you can watch right now. All you have to do is click one of the 2 video links on the left side of the screen. And also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss out on future uploads.